If you're brand new to all of this, like I was 30 days ago, maybe you've been hearing the hype about it. Maybe you're already an influencer, you're already on Reward Style or Walmart Creator or any of the other platforms that you can be a creator on. And maybe you're even thinking the same as I was, how are people making all of this money off Amazon? So this video is for you. It's also for those of you that are not an influencer at all and you just want to learn more about the program. I am currently an influencer, mainly on Instagram, also on Facebook. I have about 67,000 followers on Instagram. I also do TikTok, and I'm kind of new here to YouTube. So I signed up for the Amazon Influencer Program, just thinking it was going to be another platform where I put links and mood boards and things like I was already doing on Instagram, and I was using Like to Know It or Reward Style. I was also on Walmart Creator, where I have a storefront and I do links for products from Walmart. So when I signed up for Amazon Influencer, I saw my storefront and it felt very much like the same thing. I was going to do mood boards, I was going to link products, and it was just another platform to start posting those links to. What I didn't realize is there was a second piece to the program. There's offsite commissions and there's onsite commissions. And what I missed is that you actually have to qualify for onsite commissions and you need to get this blue lock unlocked in your dashboard. Here you're looking at the Amazon Creator Hub. And you can see at the top that my videos were not approved to be featured on product pages and I needed to try again. So the problem was that I was using my mobile device to do all of my uploads. So if you go into, got my phone here, and if you go into your Amazon store, there's a section here right on while you're shopping that says Influencer Hub. I was going here to the Influencer Hub. I was pushing create content, post a video or a photo. I would go straight into my library. I would grab the video that I was going to review. Then I would do the title. I would tag the product and I would publish. The problem was that I never saw what you're seeing on my screen, the actual Creator Hub. And I didn't realize that I was not even approved to earn on-site commissions. So here this blue lock is on, and it wasn't until I had been doing the program for 30 days and I went to look at my earnings and saw that I had only earned $35. And I couldn't figure out how I had earned so little because people I'd been talking to had been telling me that there was so much money on Amazon. They were making a lot of money. And I thought, okay, I'm uploading all of this content. I'm tagging things. So if you go to my storefront, I had already created quite a lot of idea pins and lists and mood boards. So I was already putting content on here. And I just didn't understand that the money that these people were making was actually coming from the review videos like this one. I received this little sculpture. I adore it. And so these three videos, interestingly enough, when you look at my, so if I go right here to manage content and I go to videos, when you look at these three videos, they're actually published. And it says it takes 2 days to appear on related product details pages. I uploaded them on the 12th, on August 12th. Today is the 14th, but you can see that I still have not been approved to be featured on product pages. Now, I wish that I had known this before I deleted the videos that were not approved, because I could have showed you potentially what I did wrong, and I could have showed you the videos before I deleted them to give you a better sense of what you needed to do to get approved. However, what I will tell you, you can see here that I had a large amount of videos that had already been published throughout different dates. I had started back in July publishing videos, and overall I had published over 25 videos. So I had been uploading all of these videos. They had all been published. I had even had multiple views on these videos. And I was thinking that I was going to be making money off this. So you can see that there's multiple statuses here, and your video can show that it's processing, it's in review, it's published, or it's rejected. So I could see when I had over 25 videos, I could see the 3 videos that had been rejected. I didn't know enough about the program at the time to actually watch the videos. It's my understanding that there is something to the side that would allow you to see why that video was rejected, but I didn't know that at the time, so I didn't check why the video was rejected. My best guess on why those were rejected is because I had mentioned pricing for an item. So if you're not sure how to follow their terms and conditions, when you go to upload your videos, so here, when you go to manage your content, there is a best practices button here for you to learn all about it. You can read all of these on how to upload the videos, how to use the creator tools. There's even some terms and conditions to start understanding what will make a video get accepted. But what I found is that I didn't even realize I was supposed to research this. I just thought, just like every other influencer platform that I'm a part of, I do like to know it. I do Walmart Creator. I just thought I start uploading content and I was already accepted in the program. I hadn't done the research to realize that I needed to get accepted into 2 different things. Number 1 was Amazon Associates, which I've had for a very long time. Number 2 was Amazon Influencer that I got accepted when it came out because I already had a following. But the last thing is you need to get approved to earn on-site commissions. And I did not know that. So when I started doing the research and I started realizing why other people were making so much money off Amazon, I was finding videos on YouTube and they were showing me that what I had to do was get this blue lock unlocked. That's when I found out that I opened up my Creator Hub. I stopped using my cell phone at that point in time. And when I got on the computer and I opened my Creator Hub, I could then see this message that my videos were not approved. So, in terms of timeline, I had spent already about 30 days creating my storefront, adding in linkable, shoppable lists and rugs that I loved, pictures, collages, including some videos. I just had no idea that those videos could also show up on product pages and I could receive commissions that way. So let that be a learning. If you didn't know that about this program, make sure you go to your page and you go to manage content, you go to video, and you double check if you've been approved or not approved. Now, if you have uploaded no videos yet, then the very first thing that you're going to do is do your research on the requirements for those first 3 videos. I would suggest that you upload the 3 and you wait for Amazon to approve those 3 before uploading more. It is unclear at this point if, let's say that you had 25 videos published and your 3 became accepted and now this blue button is unlocked. It's unclear if all of those published videos would start making commission or if you just make commission after the blue lock is open. So I decided for me, even though so many of my videos had been published, I decided I was going to delete all of them. I just deleted all of them like 4 days ago, and I'm going to wait for Amazon to approve these 3. So I'm reading right here on Amazon's site, and it says you'll be eligible to sign up for on-site commissions once you've uploaded at least 3 videos that meet our content guidelines, which you can click here and view and see how the video moderation process works. It says that it takes 2 days to complete. In my experience, it's taken longer than that. And it says that once moderation is complete, the status will show as either published or rejected. In my case, because all of these are published, I don't understand why I haven't been approved for on-site commissions or why my blue lock has not been unlocked. Should I keep posting and investing my time in trying to make money on Amazon influencer program?